Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment, in this rhythmic chase. Catching glances from strangers as I pass them by. In the city of dreams where stars light up the sky. Every step, every verse takes me close to the high. In the soft rap world where I spread my wings and fly.
It's cracking, guys. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Looks like they put some Hot Wheels out. It's not looking very promising, guys. Unfortunately, but it's all good. Never hurts to look. You never know, guys. You never know. Yeah, guys, like I said, unfortunately, nothing here. Here's some 5-packs. I already picked that one up. And there is nothing else that I care for as far as these 5-packs. Yes, they stocked up on the race day. Here's the 2023 Nissan Z GT4. Here's the BMW 320 Group 5. Hell yeah, I've been waiting for this one for a long time. The Rexy Porsche 911 GT3 R992. Beautiful. And here we have the Corvette C8.R. Put this up here for a little bit. Here's a 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. It's nice and all, but it's not my thing. Here's another Beamer. Here's another Corvette. Another Bentley. The Rexy Porsche 911 GT3, which I will be taking. And a 2023 Nissan Z GT4. Pretty cool. So I'll be taking one of these. Be taking the 2 Porsches and leaving everything else behind. Let's see what else they have over here. Got some pop culture. There's nothing here that I really care for. Some people are going crazy for this one. I don't care for it. Let's see what they have over here. Team Transport. And it looks like the 2-packs did hit, but this is the only one here. So we have the Audi S4 Quattro and the Audi R8L MS. The Audi is nice, man. I don't care about the Quattro so much. But yeah, guys, as you can see, a bunch of peg warmers here. Peg warmers. Yeah, I don't care for any of that. So looks like that's all she rode. Gonna leave that one behind. Let's see. Matchbox. Yeah, there's nothing here that I care for, guys, so I'm gonna call it good at this store. Let's move on to the next one. It's cracking, guys. So unfortunately nothing here. As you can see, it's pretty dry. Let's keep moving along. I did, however, find Series 2 of the cartoon. Look at the paint job on these things. Here's the 56 Chevy Nomad in a very nice hot pink. Here's the 57 Chevy Bel Air. I'm telling you, man, the paint job on these things is incredible, and the card art is awesome. Here's another Chevy Nomad, 64 Chevy Impala. Here's the 63 Chevy Corvette. Here's the 69 Chevy Camaro. Let's take it up here. Here's a 53 Chevy pickup. Pretty cool looking, but passed on it. Here's another 64 Chevy Impala. So yeah, pretty much the same mix. I only took the 87 Chevy C10 and the 69 Chevy K5 Blazer. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next store.
What's up guys, your boy BK here. It's a beautiful day here in SoCal. I hope everybody is doing well. Hope you guys are finding what you're looking for. So I walked into a store I've never been to before. I think it's pretty new. But anyways guys, I rolled the dice. I had nothing better to do. So I walked in and sure enough, I struck freaking gold. So I'm going to make a brief pause and show you what I found. All right, guys, so we are back. So this is what I picked up today. The tuned version of the Mazda RX-3, tuned version of the 94 Supra. Here we have the 1959 Chevy Impala. This is the regular treasure hunt 4P case. Picked up the recolor of the Toyota Supra, the GTR Liberty Walk. We have the recolor of the Nissan Skyline GTR with the Godzilla livery. And last but not least, boom, Lamborghini Huracan Super Treasure Hunt. Yes, sir. This is a beauty, man. So yeah, guys, don't lose hope. Go out there, grind, and hopefully you find what you're looking for.
What's cracking, guys? So I walked into a Walmart and it looks like they stocked up. I doubt I'm gonna find the ultimate prize, but I'm still gonna give it a shot and look through all this stuff. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff, guys. Lots of stuff. As you can see, there's some more stuff over here. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go through this stuff and then I'll be back and show you what I found.
It's time to get the show started. So let's start off with this cool tuned Fast and Furious 70 Dodge Charger. So cute little piece here. I also found this cool recolor of the Transformers Bumblebee. Now have this in a beautiful gold color, and it still has Bumblebee's face on the front side of the base. There you go. So pretty cool car. I also scored this beauty right here. This is the Nissan Silvia S14. These are Walgreens exclusive. Happened to find these when I was looking for cartoon cars. Pretty hooked on those, so got lucky on this one. I also scored the Toyota Supra. These are nice, man. These are really, really nice. I also scored this awesome Toyota Supra. This is a recolor. We now have this in a very nice forest green with the gold H5s. Black interior. Nice details on the front. I like the wing on this. It's pretty cool. No details on the back, unfortunately, but overall, it's a very cool piece. I also picked up this awesome 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata. We now have this in a very nice yellow. Love the livery. It's got some cool detail on the back. Check that out. You can never go wrong with a yellow car. The tail lights really, really stand out. It's got some nice wheels as well. H5s with the chrome lip. And on the front, you only have the turn signals and the headlights are set in the down position. Nice little black interior there. Alright guys, so I got pretty lucky and I found a couple of Zamacs. This is the 1967 Ford GT40 MK4. Love the Tampa work. Check that out. It's got some cool sponsor logos on the hood, number 27. It's got the lensed headlights. Very, very nice. No details on the front or back. It is to be expected. It's a Zamac after all. And here is the other one. Here's a cool Lamborghini Zesto Elemento. Very nice. So the third piece I did not find, the Nissan 180. I don't know what happened. I just didn't see it. I also picked up this very nice Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Check this out, guys. This thing is a beauty. It comes in a beautiful satin blue. It's got the black H5s. I like how Mattel did not cheat collectors out of the Tampa work. Check out the back, guys. Got nice tampos on the tails. It's got the black accents on top. And it's got some nice detail on the front as well. Very, very nice piece. Next one up is this cool 1998 Subaru Impreza. We've seen many variations of this. I love the Tampa work on this car. It's lacking some detail on the back, but it's okay, we could fix that. It does kind of make up for it up front. Check that out. Very nice. Don't like those wheels very much either. We're gonna have to do something about that. Those are minor details. We could easily fix that. So, and again, guys, no details on the back, but it is what it is. It's still a very nice looking casting. And I got very lucky and I scored this awesome 1983 Chevy Silverado. Check this out, guys. Beautiful truck. Unfortunately, it's not the Super, but even then, it's still a very nice truck. Unfortunately, this was the only one on the pegs. Otherwise, I would have picked up a few more. One is better than nothing. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna lose hope, and I'm still gonna hunt it down. I also picked up this cool Lamborghini Huracan. Very nice. So this is the regular version. This is a carryover. I did find the grand prize, guys. Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. Very, very nice. So here is the comparison. As you can see, it's a huge difference between the mainline and the Super. Paint job, the wheels, everything. So that is all I have for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. In the meantime, you guys take care. Happy hunting. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.